Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Guys, welcome back. Today, we're covering how to deploy a Vite project on Render full setup tutorial. First, make sure your Vite project is ready for deployment. Run a production build locally using npm run build or yarn build to generate the dist folder, which contains your optimized app files. Next, head over to render.com and create a new static site. Connect your GitHub repository where your Vite project is stored. Render will automatically detect your project settings, but you need to specify the build commands as npm run build and the published directory as dist. After configuring these settings, hit deploy. Render will clone your repo, run the build, and serve your project from the dist folder. It usually takes a few minutes to finish. Once deployed, Render provides a URL where your Vite app is live and accessible. You can also set up a custom domain easily within Render dashboard. Remember, every time you push changes to your GitHub repo, Render will automatically rebuild and redeploy your project, keeping your site up to date and without extra effort. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and clear tutorials. See you in next time.